Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Canva Glass Effect just like this for free. And please note that this effect can appear on any type of design. For example, it can be on your banner, your logo, any design, but it could have this type of glass effect in form of glass mock-up for better design and typography. So with that being said, let's get to the video. Now let's head on to our browser and searching canva.com. Now this is our Canva dashboard. For us to create that type of glass effect, we'll select create a design, then we'll choose our own custom size. Just scroll down, then you can search for custom size because we're going to making our own glass effect from scratch. So just click here, which is custom size. Then I will type in 1080 by 1080 pixels. That's the size of our glass effect I'll be making in this video. As you can see here, we have our blank Canva dashboard. So now for us to create the type of glass effect that I showed you earlier on in this video, we're going to use a special element. Just go to the element section and click on it. Now we are in the element dashboard. Let's select frame, then give it a little time cooking out. Now as you can see here, we have different type of frame that we can use, but for this glass effect I'll choose this frame right here. Just select it and it's going to be shown on your dashboard here. So now for us to add a background image, let's go to photos and choose from any catching background. Okay, now let's use this one. This one is what we're going to use for our background and also our glass markup. Just select it. Then now let's make it our let's make it our background image. Just right click and select set image as background. Time set is going to be set automatically. You can also adjust it to fit our template. Now the next thing for us to do is to create this our blank frame into a glass effect. So to do that, just select any image here, then try to point it inside the type of frame that I selected earlier on. You can see it's going to fit that frame. So now we can as well just let it to fit for our Canva dashboard screen, just like this. Then you can also crop the image to look a little more realistic than before. So okay, things look like this. Select done, finish editing. Now to turn this type of image into a 3D glass effect on Canva, let's select edit image. Then you see a dashboard called, I think it's filter, yes. Just select adjust here. Then I'm going to change the blur a little bit to give it a type of glass effect. I think let's reduce it too much, a little bit. Then we can increase the brightness here to make it a little bit more realistic glass effect. As you can see now, it's becoming a glass effect. As you can see now, we have our Canva glass effect. So I'll just do a little bit touching on this. So I'll try to add a shape at the background that can also help us to boost our glass here. So I'll go back to element section. Now I'll go back here. I will select the square shape here. As you can see now, we have our square shape on our Canva dashboard. So I'll just change the color of this shape to be white, so it won't affect our glass markup. I'll just adjust it to fit our glass markup here. Then right click and send to back. As you can see now, it doesn't really take effect, but what we want to bring out here is just a 3D realistic smart markup that can have the background of a white image to help enhance the glass effect. As you can see now, it's looking more realistic than before. Just try to edit it so I will not notice the white background at our back. So with that being done, I also want to change the image of our background because I don't really fancy the image of our background with the image of our glass markup. So let's find another image that can fit our background so well. I think let's use this. Select it as before and select set image as background. That is by clicking. No, let's just change it back. Let's look for another one that can serve well us well. Okay, I was able to find a new image background, which is here. So now we have changed our background image. We can also adjust it to fit other. Yes, perfect. Now you can see we have our 3D realistic glass effect. You could also add some text or other features. Like I said earlier on, you can use this glass effect on your banner, flyer, or any other design. It's not only for this glass effect. I'm just letting you know the amazing effect that Canva has, just for you to be aware. But it can also be on any other design. So I'll just add some text and get back to you on the screen. Try not to waste your time. So now, as you can see, I have tried to add some other effect and graphics just to spice up the glass effect that I'm doing. So when I'm done with all my banner or logo design, I'll just tap on share button and select the download button to view my logo so far or any other design I'm designing with Canva. Just easy for you to just select the download button, then you can save it to any file or folder you wish. Now, as you can see, we have our glass effect on our folder. So you can also do a lot of things with this glass effect. Like I said earlier on, you can make banner, flyer, or different things, but it could have this type of realistic glass effect to help boost your design. A big thanks to those who find my content very useful and helpful. I hope you've hit the like and subscribe button. You could also post a comment on the tutorial you want me to do next in my YouTube video. Thanks so much. Bye.